In terms of the power supply and how many power supply we can have in mini PLC logo, as we can see here, different type of the power supply we can use in our system. We have a table here, Siemens part number and RS stock number and description. I want to focus on the description. So if we look at the description, we can see here logo power 12 volt DC 1.9 ampere. So the first column, as we can see here in the first column, the first row is a type of power supply, and output voltage is 12 volt and output current would be maximum 1.9 ampere. The second one is logo power supply 12 volt. Also the current is increased until 4.5 ampere. As we can see here, the output voltage is the same the previous one, and the output voltage is the same the previous one. Output current is increased until 4.5 ampere. The third one is a logo power 24 volt. And current is 1.3 ampere. So as we can see here, output voltage is 24 volt DC and current is 1.3 ampere. So in the next generation of the 24 volt power supply, the current is increased until 2.5 ampere. The output voltage is the same the previous one, 24 volt DC, and current is increased until 2.5 ampere. The last one, the output voltage, the logo power 24 volt DC and current is 4 ampere. The output voltage is 24 volt DC and the current is increased for 4 ampere. The application for this type of system is an industrial application, and sometimes we can use this power supply for the other applications such as the automation system and control panels as well. So overall we have a 5 type of the power supply: 12 volts, sometimes 12 volts, sometimes 24 volts. Also the current will be different in the different part number. So here in this picture we can see a power supply. This is the input voltage. This one is output voltage. As an output voltage we can use in our system. So two signal is come inside, and output signal we can take it from here for our main board or other automation systems such as a panel and display and something like that.